Alright, hey guys, welcome in. Got a quick video on how to clean tempera cakes. I use these a lot in my class, so I've kind of got a skill and a certain art form in itself to cleaning these for students. I do them a different way when I have them kind of at the end of the year or the beginning of the year, how I clean them. But for my students, while they're using them, usually this is kind of how they look when they're done with the day of the class. But this is kind of more how I would like them to look. So you can kind of see the difference. The edges are a little bit more cleaned up. So basically the easiest thing that you can do is just grab a couple of paper towels, maybe one, maybe two paper towels over there. Get it a little bit wet. It doesn't need to be soaking wet. And then just basically start out probably with the lightest color and just kind of get these kind of middle parts just kind of wet. You don't have to worry about cleaning them yet, but you just want it wet so that it kind of soaks in. And literally, as I'm watching the clock on here, it's probably, maybe 45 seconds is all this takes. So once these are already wet, it's pretty easy to kind of just go around the edges. Oops, there, now you can see it a little bit. Go around the edges and just kind of keep folding it until you got kind of a clean side and kind of wipe away. And just like that, it kind of cleans up really, really nice. So go around this edge. Sometimes if you kind of smush from one color into it without paying attention, it kind of rubs in there. You can always go grab kind of a little cleaner part of the paper towel and just kind of pay attention to where you're going. But as long as they're wet, it cleans really, really good. So from there onto this one, onto this one, onto the bottom side over here, and kind of you can always give kind of a nice clean wipe down the middle and on those kind of sides. And then pretty easily, from this side, which looks pretty nice, to this side, which doesn't look so nice, in, like I said, a matter of 30 seconds or so. So a really quick, easy way to clean tempera cakes for the kids that use it in my class. So that's kind of my expectations for the tempera cake trays when they get done, so that, again, they don't start looking, like this over and over time. And it gets pretty bad over time if they don't get cleaned up. So they should look a little bit more like this. Ooh. Fantastic. So thank you guys for watching this. Thank you guys for following that direction. And thank you guys for viewing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. I guess it's not really a project, but this idea for your kids. Give me a thumbs up. Hit a comment down below on any tips that you guys would like me to have. Little tips like this. Every once in a while I'll try to throw a little art tip in there. This is one of my favorite ones. And then make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to my channel. Got lots of tips and ideas and projects and fun videos coming out every single week, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button down there. Click the bell for the notification squad, then you get notified every new video every week when mine are coming out. So thank you guys for viewing. So as always, I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's art class, and we will talk to you guys later.